Watch. Is that correct? Are you guys gonna watch this again? Yeah, I'm assuming. I'm just assuming this is one of the fastest, this fastest stops that have been sold out. And we are looking forward to going back again here, maybe in a few months. Maybe, or maybe next year. I hope to see all the familiar faces again. Pero yun, ang gusto kasi yung English namin dito, mga reba. Pwede mo mag-Tagalog na. Puyat na puyat kami, pero gusto ko naman pasalamat sa inyong lahat. Sobrang nakakatuwa po sa mga fan projects na ginawa nyo from the very beginning. Yes, of course, every fan project that you did, we feel